Hello, my name is Arnold-Blea. Welcome to our website. My partner Joseph Arnold and I would like to take a few minutes to introduce you to Arnold-Blea and explain to you why we believe our law firm is unique.
You know, when Dale and I first became attorneys, we both had a common desire to help people in this profession. We turn around and oftentimes we meet people when they're at their lowest point in their lives. They come into our office. Usually they have issues going on in their lives. It could be financial issues. They could have just suffered a major injury. Or it could be a family issue where they're going through a dissolution, child custody issue, child visitation issues. It's at that point when they're at their lowest that you bring them in there and we consult with them and we go over their case and we'll listen to their story. And when you lay their case out for them procedurally, how we're going to work as a team to get through this from A to Z, and you explain the substantive issues of the law to them, and they can see for the first time that there's a light at the end of this tunnel, and they can see for the first time that they have truly somebody who's going to help them meet their objectives, get to this other side. You see such a transformation in their demeanor. It's like a totally different person when they're walking out of their office. And for the first time, they finally found an office and they finally find people that they can place their trust in and that they know is going to help them, and we do.
You know, when you hire Arnold-Blea, you're not just hiring an attorney. You're hiring a whole team of professionals. Our strength is in the willingness of each one of our members of our team to sit down with our clients and take the time to understand the client's specific issues and specific goals. This begins from the very first telephone call that our clients make to our firm. We make sure that we have a good understanding of what that client's legal needs are so that that person is routed to the proper team member, and then work together with the other members of our staff to achieve those goals.
One of us is in court probably every day of the week. Usually it's either a law in motion calendar or we're there for a trial. And if you could see things from our perspective for a minute, it's so interesting to note when you're in court that often, you see attorneys literally that are there for the very first time. They're trying to read their file before they go up and argue. Or worse, you see them for the first time calling out a person's name to try to meet their client for the first time in court. That is absolutely not what you're going to get at Arnold-Blea. When we take your case, when we take down that responsibility, I guarantee you there's only one person that's going to know that case better than us, and that's you. We will know your case from A to Z. We will know all the factual issues of your case. We'll be familiar with every detail that is involved in your case. We will have done our research. We will have propounded discovery. We will have had, we will be ready to go to court and to litigate on your behalf. That's what you expect from us, and that's what we provide to you.